Ladies and gentlemen, Article 149(1) of the Constitution of Kenya provides that where a vacancy arises in the office of the Deputy President, the President shall nominate a person to fill the vacancy within 14 days of the vacancy arising, and the National Assembly shall vote on the nomination within 60 days. Vide a special gazette notice number 13401, dated and published on 18th October 2024, the Speaker of the National Assembly notified the public that the National Assembly, at its sitting held on Friday, 18th October 2024, voted in favor of the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki to fill the vacancy in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Article 74 of the Constitution provides that before assuming a state office, acting in a state office, or performing any functions of a state office, a person shall take and subscribe the oath of affirmation of office in the manner and form prescribed by the third schedule to the Constitution or under an Act of Parliament. Further, Article 148(5) requires that a Deputy President assumes office by taking and subscribing to the oath or affirmation of allegiance and the oath or affirmation for the execution of the functions of the office as prescribed in the third schedule to the Constitution. The oaths prescribed in the third schedule to the Constitution are to be taken by the Deputy President before the Chief Justice. May I now call upon the Deputy President designate, Professor Kithure Kindiki, to take his place and take the prescribed oaths. Yes. Okay. Okay.
May I request the spouse of the Deputy President designate to come forward.
Mr. Deputy President designate, I shall commence with the administration of the first oath, which is the oath of allegiance of the Deputy President. Kindly repeat after me. I,
Kithure Kindiki,
in full realization of the high calling, I assume as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, do swear
do swear
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya,
and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya,
that I will obey,
that I will obey,
preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of Kenya
and defend this Constitution of Kenya
as by law established, and all other laws of the Republic,
and all other laws of the Republic,
and that I will protect and uphold the sovereignty, integrity, and dignity of the people of Kenya. So help me God.
So help me God.